celebrity chef, been on so many TV shows that he has actually forgotten how many he's on. So he couldn't tell me how many he's on. But for now, we have one called Cooking for Love, correct? That is running on AFC, a very fantastic show. It's very, very popular, just like the man himself. Unfortunately, again, ladies, he's taken. Please give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Chef Nick Michael. Born in Malaysia, you remember, right? I was given the information that he was one of the 24 finalists shortlisted from 500. He said, no, more than 500, thousands and thousands of finalists came.
I think 500 was the KL leg of it.
Well, the main point is, he's the one who stood out. And he's got quite a few cooking shows, and he's quite happening with the ladies. I keep stressing that because, you know, good looking kan.
You're also stressing me out lah. You overblown me, you know lah. I'm just a cook at the end of the day. All I want to do is cook the food.
That's what he says. You don't see those ladies with the lifestyle. I see someone flattering, flickering her lashes right now. Don't worry, you will get up close and personal with Chef Nick very soon because he's got something very special for us today.
Yes,
and that is why we have a fully equipped kitchen at the back. But first, he's been married for 4 months. I have to stress that. Because you know what? This actually ties in with the twin cooling plus technology. Alright, here's another question, okay? Who does the cooking?
Actually, my wife does.
I knew it! Is she a better cook?
I would say she's a better cook only when I'm eating it.
You better say yes, you know. She might be listening.
Yes, when I'm eating, I'm like, you're amazing.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, I separate because I cook outside of the home. So the home kitchen is her grounds. And she's the one that's championing everything. But I have to say she's an amazing cook. Yeah.
She's an amazing cook. Oh, that's
Twin cooling plus technology, the new range of refrigerator. So at times, and most of the time, in fact, that everybody says the kitchen is the heart of the home, right? So a lot of things has been happening in the kitchen, and there's been a lot of demand from the end user consumer pertaining to the refrigerator. So one of it will be our no mix of order. That will be one of the key points that the consumer would like to dissolve. And number two will be the freshness of the food that you put inside the refrigerator. So with the new technology of the Twin Cooling Plus, okay, if you look at here, our new technology is separated the compartment of the freezer and the fridge into 2 segments. And it's actually operating with 2 evaporators and also using the same compressor, 1 compressor only. So if we look into the fridge, okay, so what happens normally? Sorry, you can actually move to on the right a bit. So normally what happens would be, if you're using a monocooling, which is on the conventional type, the cold air from the freezer will move down to your fridge and then will circulate between this area and goes back up to the freezer compartment. But what happens is, commonly when the moisture and also the cold air went down, it brings together with the moisture going back up to the freezer and it becomes ice because it's frozen. That's why our food, especially the vegetables, get dry easily. But with the new twin cooling technology, this compartment is totally separated. So which means this freezer and this fridge now runs on a separate system. So with this, okay, we can realize 2 new key technology. One will be no order mix because the compartment on the fridge and the freezer is not connected anymore. So some of the food, sometimes you buy the fish, right? You got some smells. You will travel down to this compartment. So it doesn't happen anymore with the Twin Cooling Plus technology. And secondly, we also have a smart conversion. So what is a smart conversion? So basically with this 2 compartments being separated, now you can actually change this compartment, okay, into another fridge compartment. Okay, who will be most likely to use this compartment? Sometimes we got a lot of customers, they already have a fridge, they want a second fridge. They probably on the first fridge, they already got enough space for the frozen food, right? But the second fridge, they want to put more vegetable. They want to enjoy more fresh fruits. So this is where the fridge compartment, the freezer compartment, change to a fridge will come into the picture, right? So if you go on, moving on to the left side, on the left side later on, we can explore that there are 5 different modes has been already set up on the fridge itself. So with that, you can actually view more on the fridge, and you can actually see how it's being interpreted into our daily life. Yep. So basically, that will be the explanation on the twin cooling plus technology. Yep. Yeah. So some of the customer might be asking how easy is it, or is it difficult to convert a freezer into a fridge? It's not difficult at all. All you need to do is that on our panel at the front, we also have the easy panel for the consumer to use. So all you need to do is that convert freezer, freezer convert. You press this button for 3 seconds. You can see the freezer will change to flash, and then you can change to fridge. Okay, or you can turn it off. Not totally off it off, but it's actually on a standby mode. So some of the dry food that you put in, it will still be okay. Okay, so it's that easy. And sometimes the consumer might think that I have a child. Okay, how do we manage that? Because sometimes the children might go and press, right? So if you just press pressing the button normally, it will not change the function. So we have a safety feature where you need to press and hold for 3 seconds. Okay, after 3 seconds, then only you can start changing the compartment from a fridge to become a freezer, or a freezer become a fridge. Okay, and on top of that, we also have other function as well from this fridge. So if we move on to some of the fridge, inside this compartment, we already have some of the features add-on, which we call the cool pack. So what would be a cool pack? Cool pack means that if there's no energy or energy cut down, so our fridge can last additional up to 12 hours. So it's provided and built in most of our refrigerator, which you can actually see later on. Okay, and compared to conventional, if you look at the outlook, so most of the, if you go to the shopping sometimes, right, you see the refrigerator, it looks almost the same, okay? But how do we identify whether it's a twin cooling plus technology? Number one, check out our twin cooling plus, whether it's a twin cooling plus logo is inside. Number two, what you need to do is that you also ask the question, can your fridge do conversion? So a twin cooling plus refrigerator will be able to do a smart conversion, whereas a non-twin cooling plus you cannot do a smart conversion. So in a simple way, I would say that the twin cooling plus is actually the next generation of refrigerator that all the consumers should have. Yep. So
the capacity we have from 300.
You're missing delicates. So according to consumers' behavior study in 2015, right now 85% of customers actually prove that add any item after the washing machine started, the cycle started, is the hidden important. But they actually can't do that simply because once your washing machine is started, you can't actually open the door. Once you open the door, what will happen? The water will spill out, right? So to provide the solution, this year we have introduced the new AirWash to solve this issue, and also to help the customer to make the laundry more fun and more easy. So I would like to do a little small demonstration for you all. So now, actually I add in my laundry, okay? Sorry, I take this off. Right? So now, if you don't mind, miss, can you help me to press the play button? Now I'd like to kickstart my washing cycle. Yep. So as you can see, when I press the play button, the drum actually now is spinning. Right? Yeah. Then my wife was telling me, hey, your kids play outside, the shirt very dirty stuff, please go and wash your clothes, right? But now I don't want to wait the washing cycle actually finish. Once I wait, I have to take a very long time to put this inside. So immediately I press the pause button. Okay? So I press the little door. Ta-da! So I can put the new dirty clothes just inside the washing machine and continue my washing cycle. Okay, so as you can see, the drum now is actually dumping. So of course, you not only can add your delicates of course during the wash cycle, you also can add during the rinse cycle or even the spin cycle. I.e., you have a swimsuit, so it's very expensive, right? But you don't want to wash, so you do pre-delicates. But you want to make it dry, so you can also add during the spin cycle. Okay? Then of course, one after I kickstart the whole machine, the washing cycle, this machine also comes with the smart control function. So what is actually mean by smart control? 5 minutes before the last spin, you actually can add the clothes to continue the washing cycle or even the rinse cycle. So with the smart control function when connected, it's very useful, while at the same time you multitask with other things. Okay? And finally, this machine also comes with the bubble soap technology. Bubble soap technology is mean that when water goes in and react with detergent, it will come out very fast bubble. Okay, once bubble a lot, it actually can penetrate our stubborn stain 40 times faster. So with that, you can easily remove your stubborn stain with our new washing machine. Okay, so that's all for today, the presentation from the new AppWash.